Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, where we explore the very best in boating design and innovation. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the most exciting narrowboat models to hit the waterways in 2025, the Eurocruiser MK11. This is not just another steel boat with a few home comforts bolted inside. This is a modern reimagining of what a narrowboat can be, blending tradition with cutting-edge ideas in both design and lifestyle features. Whether you are a liveaboard boater, a weekend cruiser, or someone simply fascinated by the evolution of canal boats, this review will give you a full perspective of what makes the Eurocruiser MK11 stand out. The first impression of the Eurocruiser MK11 is striking. It carries the classic long and slender profile of a traditional narrowboat, but with several touches that immediately signal this is a new generation model. The hull is built with a modern steel construction that balances strength and efficiency. The bow maintains a sweeping curve, while the stern adopts the Eurocruiser deck style, a design that has become increasingly popular over the last few years. Instead of a cramped back end where only one person can stand at the tiller, the Eurocruiser deck provides a spacious, sociable area for family and friends to enjoy while underway. It is flat, wide, and protected by polished railings, which makes it feel more like the deck of a yacht than a canal boat. The external styling is contemporary and elegant. The MK11 often comes in deep navy or graphite tones with cream or silver accent lining. Large tinted windows line the cabin sides, giving the boat a sleek profile, while also flooding the interior with natural light. This combination of traditional steel lines with modern finishing touches creates an immediate sense that this boat is both robust and luxurious. Solar panels can be mounted across the roof, delivering energy efficiency and independence for longer cruises. LED navigation lights and chrome detailing complete the exterior look, giving it a shine that really sets it apart at the marina or along the towpath. Stepping inside the Eurocruiser MK11 reveals how much thought has gone into its design. This is a reverse layout boat, which means that as you enter from the stern, you walk directly into the galley kitchen rather than a bedroom or living space. This arrangement makes a lot of sense because it allows easy transfer of shopping and supplies directly into the kitchen area without carrying them through the entire length of the boat. The galley itself is designed with modern living in mind. You will find quartz-style countertops, oak cabinetry, integrated appliances like a full-size oven, fridge, freezer, and often even a slimline dishwasher. LED strip lighting runs beneath the cabinets, giving a warm glow, while wide windows above the sink allow you to cook with a view of the passing countryside. Beyond the kitchen, the saloon or main living area continues the theme of comfort and functionality. An L-shaped sofa sits along the side of the boat, offering plenty of room for lounging, watching TV, or hosting guests. The sofa usually converts into an extra bed for visitors. The wood-burning stove placed neatly in the corner provides that timeless canal boat charm, while modern heating systems like Weberstow diesel central heating ensure consistent warmth throughout the vessel. Oak flooring runs the length of the cabin, tying the interior together with a light natural feel. Neutral tones of cream gray and soft beige give a calm atmosphere, while subtle nautical touches remind you that you are still aboard a boat, even if it feels more like a floating apartment. Moving forward brings us into the master bedroom, which is one of the standout features of the Eurocruiser MK11. Unlike older narrowboats where beds were often squeezed awkwardly into tight spaces, here you have a proper full-width cabin with a king-size bed fitted. Wardrobes line the walls, offering generous storage, and mirrored panels help reflect light around the room. A skylight above the bed provides natural light and a chance to stargaze at night, while warm LED downlights give a cozy evening glow. Storage has been cleverly designed with compartments under the bed and discreet shelves built into the walls, so everything has its place. The overall impression is that of a boutique hotel room rather than a boat cabin. The bathroom is equally impressive. Gone are the days of tiny cramped wet rooms. The Eurocruiser MK11 offers a full-size walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head. Enclosed in clear glass panels, the walls are finished in light grey stone effect tiles, giving a spa-like feel. A modern vanity unit with oak cabinetry and a ceramic basin sits below. A backlit LED mirror, chrome fittings, and a heated towel rail add to the luxury. Practical features such as waterproof flooring and discreet ventilation ensure the space is both comfortable and durable. This bathroom design shows how far narrowboats have come in making life on the water feel like life on land. Performance-wise, the Eurocruiser MK11 is built to handle both long cruising holidays and the daily demands of liveaboard use. The boat is usually fitted with a reliable diesel engine, often in the 42 to 57 horsepower range, which is more than adequate for canal and river navigation. Dual alternators provide robust charging For the battery bank, which supports everything from lighting to appliances to entertainment systems, the addition of both thrusters in many builds makes maneuvering in tight marina spaces much easier, a big advantage for both newcomers and seasoned boaters who value convenience. Fuel tanks and water tanks are sized generously to allow for extended cruising without constant resupply. Solar panels on the roof feed into the power system, reducing reliance on shore power and helping lower running costs over the long term. One of the more subtle but important aspects of performance is insulation and comfort. The Eurocruiser MK11 incorporates modern insulation materials and double-glazed windows. This means the boat stays warmer in winter and cooler in summer, a major improvement over older builds. The heating system is programmable and efficient, ensuring that even in the depths of winter you can step inside to a warm, welcoming interior. Noise reduction has also been considered. The engine is insulated to reduce vibration and sound, so cruising remains a peaceful experience. When it comes to unique selling points, the Eurocruiser MK11 stands out in several key ways. The first is the balance between traditional narrowboat charm and modern luxury. It maintains the slim, canal-friendly dimensions required for navigating the waterways, but the interior feels like a high-end apartment. The second is the sociability of the Eurocruiser deck at the stern. This design choice has transformed how people use their boats, turning the helm into a space for gathering and enjoying the journey together rather than isolating the person steering. The third is the quality of finish and attention to detail. The use of oak wood, stainless steel fittings and carefully chosen fabrics elevates the feel of the boat well beyond the standard hire fleet design. Another unique aspect is flexibility. The Eurocruiser MK11 can be tailored to the needs of the buyer, whether you want a boat primarily for leisure weekends with a small family or a fully equipped liveaboard home. There are layout options and custom features to suit different lengths are available, but the 60 to 65 foot range is particularly popular as it provides ample space while still being manageable on most waterways. This adaptability makes the MK11 appealing to a broad audience, from first-time buyers to experienced boaters looking for an upgrade. In terms of lifestyle impact, the Eurocruiser MK11 represents a step change for the narrowboat community. It demonstrates how waterways living can be both practical and aspirational. It is not just about getting from lock to lock, it is about creating a home and a lifestyle that rivals modern apartments while retaining the romance of canal life. This boat encourages people to imagine living on the water as not only possible but also desirable and sustainable, with energy-efficient systems and smart use of space. To sum up, the Eurocruiser MK11 is one of the most impressive narrowboats you will see in 2025. From its stylish exterior lines and sociable Eurocruiser deck to its carefully planned reverse layout interior and luxury features, it offers something for everyone. The technical performance is reliable, the comfort levels are exceptional, and the overall package shows that narrowboats can move confidently into the modern era without losing their heritage. That wraps up today's review here on Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Eurocruiser MK11, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Would you choose this as your liveaboard home or your holiday cruiser? I would love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more reviews and explorations of the best boats on the market. Until next time, happy cruising.